This is just not Navratri for us, this is also my anniversary month with my husband, and I've actually bullied him into buying me this beautiful machine.
BMW X1 because it was very smooth when we took a test drive, and it's very spacious from the back.
So Navratra happens to be, one of the most auspicious festivities for North India.
We booked about 2 months back, and you've been kind to give an early delivery in Navratras.
Happy Navratras.
Happy Navratra.
Happy Navratras, everyone.
Happy Navratras to everyone.